Me and my cat would like to say Happy Halloween to everyone. You should say that a lot on these days. Okay, you can go. Ow, you hurt me.